Hey everyone, it's Tim from Mountain Gourmet here in Southwest Oregon, March 2013. Today I'm going to be filming and talking about giant bamboo poles. Our family has been growing bamboo plants for the horticulture industry, cultivating edible bamboo shoots for the produce markets, and growing giant bamboo poles for construction for the last 25 years. Needless to say, we have a lot of experience and we have a lot of stock. These are posts being treated with a borate salt solution, and this is approved even for food utensils, USDA and EPA approved, which is a great non-fixing and non-toxic preservative, which makes them a great alternative to other typical construction materials. We have different size vats for different size lengths and different size concentration levels, depending on whatever the client needs. Once they're through the vats, they come out to our drying room, and we have a batch that came through this week. We produce about 1,000, anywhere from 500 to 1,000 a week, just depending on what we try to put into inventory. Once they go out of the drying room, they go into the curing room, and that takes about 2 weeks to 2 months, just depending on the size. So these are very typical of what comes out of the forest. In today's market, you have many different choices for post-construction. T-bar, steel T-bar, very standard, used a lot for fencing. Pressure-treated 4x4, pressure-treated with copper sulfate. You have composite materials, which are made up of a lot of glue and wood chips. And you have bamboo, which is a great alternative. It probably has the least carbon footprint of any of these, because it's something that's like PVC pipe coming out of the grove. Very hard, it has 2.2 times the tensile strength, the bending strength of steel. And we offer different sizes. We offer 3 standard sizes, 3 standard lengths, and 3 standard dimensions. With those, you can pretty much cover a lot of your different choices. We have 1.5 to 2 inch, 2 to 2.5, and 2.5 to 3. And as you can see, there's a lot of difference in mass in these 3 sizes. This is $1.95, $2.95, $3.95 in the 6-footers, and that makes them pretty reasonable and actually a lot cheaper than the other, standard construction material. Pressure treated, 8-foot, 3-inch, $4.95. Not a bad price when you consider what you have to pay for a steel post or what you have to pay for a wooden post. After they go to the drying rack, we have about up to 2 months, depending on their dimension, and they're ready to go. All right, take care, guys.